How to cancel dropship.io subscription. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. At the very top, you're going to find your Apple ID. Click on it. Now navigate to the option of subscriptions. Open it. Now over here, you're going to find different sections as active subscription and expired one. Get over to the section of active. Under active subscription, you're going to find the option of dropship. Click on that option. After you open that option, you're going to see the option of cancel subscription at the bottom left. Click on that option, you're going to get the pop-up confirm cancellation. Click on confirm, and just with that, you have canceled the subscription for dropship. Now, you won't be charged anymore. Also, you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the dropship app or the account will not cancel your subscription, and subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily cancel dropship.io subscription. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.